AI companies are hiring ordinary people to help train artificial intelligences. Most of these jobs are paying much more than traditional survey websites. So in today's video, I'll be explaining everything you need to know, how it works, from registration to passing assessment, payment method, and whether it's really worth your time. So if you are new here, I'm Shavera. In this channel I teach legitimate online jobs, AI platform, website that helps you make money from home, how to successfully complete your application processes, how to create your account, and some mistakes that can stop you from getting jobs. So if that sounds like what you want to hear, hit that subscribe button. Let's get straight to the video.
This is Alignerr powered by Legitimacy. So this is jobs, the Alignerr, where experts get paid to train AI to link to Alignerr. So sort of it. Okay, let's get to it. Alignerr is not a survey site. It is an AI training and data annotation platform where companies hire people to help improve artificial intelligence. What is Alignerr? Alignerr is an AI data platform. It connects skills contributors with AI companies. Contributors help improve AI systems by completing specialized tasks. The work is usually project-based. Is Alignerr legit? Yes, it's considered a legitimate platform. It works with AI-related projects like similar platforms. Work available depends on demand. There is no guarantee that every applicant will receive project immediately. So it's not a guarantee that you must receive job the moment you sign up to it. So I've seen some people saying that they have taken time, stayed about 2 to 3 months on Alignerr without receiving any job. So basically the work is not flowing the way people imagine it to be. Possible tasks that includes in Alignerr is rating AI response, comparing AI answers, writing prompts, editing AI generated text, categorizing informations, data labeling, language evaluation, image annotation, audio review, and fact checking from multiple countries. But not every role is open worldwide, so every work that you can get, it's like the other day I checked the work for, it's like Nigerians are fewer jobs for Nigerians. So it's not really all the work that you can get the moment you register. You need to create an account, you need to enter your personal information accurately the right way, verify your emails, and complete your profiles. Now here I say hiring across all skills demand. So these are the kind of job that Alignerr have here. They have social media content evaluation. They have AI training specialist. As what does the onboarding process looks like? The onboarding process is designed to be fast. Sign in and verify your Google account. Upload your resume, the normal resume you upload when you want to apply for a job. The platform auto-fills your profile in 30 seconds. Review your profile and set your preferences. Verify your identity via person. So this one is expecting you to verify your identity, can be your government ID, which you use to verify, and also your face. Why they ask for this is to prevent people from creating multiple accounts. Browse available jobs and apply. Complete billing and contract setup once approved. Some jobs may require additional setup like Zara interviews or a skill assessment. You will be notified when you apply. Now, what qualification do you need to become an alliance? They need people with skilled to tackle tasks. So expertise in a domain, strong coding abilities, or sharp analytical thinking. Yes, it's safe to provide information. Yes, we verify contributor identities to keep the platform safe and ensure we are matching the right candidate to the right project. Put your username, your emails, your first name, your last name, then you submit. upload your resume, normal resume that you write when you want to apply for a work. So you just attach it here, upload it. When you upload it, it takes you to upload your resume. So we will fill in your details based on your resume. Take a moment to review and take a necessary update. So here you put your profile is required, your legal name is required, your last name, everything, your gender, your date of birth, you continue. So these are the forms that you filled. So you need to be honest while filling all these forms so that your application will be accepted. So okay, I received Alignerr account created. So let's see what it said on our email. Account created. Welcome, your Alliance account has been successfully created. Before you begin on the platform, you must finish the onboarding checklist below. Now the step 1, the onboarding checklist, account created. Step 1, browse available jobs and apply for one that matches your skills and profile. If you get qualified, you will be invited to start onboarding. During the onboarding, you will sign a contract and add a payment method, start working and earning. If you have any questions about the Alignerr account, you can contact the support alliance. So let's see the kind of jobs they have there. So let's see what they have on this role here. Open roles. These are open roles. So they have audio, coding, general, STEM. So these are the open roles. Dutch language expert, language expert. So these are the kind of jobs they have here. So if you go through this, you will see the kind of job, which is $20 to $23 per hour. So this is not really basically monthly salary. This is job pay as you work. The work you do is what they pay you for. So you're not just going to rely on monthly basis to collect money. If you are not able to accomplish any task within 1 month, you won't be paid. So you will get paid when you complete your tasks. That's all for today. Thank you for accompanying me to sign up with Alliance. So if you really want to sign up with Alliance, you can go ahead and do it, but you should have it in mind that it's not a full-time job and it's not something that you should put all your hope in. It's something that you can use as a side hustling, as a supplement. So if you have watched me to this extent, congratulations. Go ahead and sign up if you're interested, and do well to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share this video to get to other people that may need it.